Riya, how are you doing today?
Hi Aman, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. I love music and traveling.
So, DB,
Progressive,
career,
fulfilling,
corporate world,
challenging,
MBA,
adventure,
friends,
family,
Delhi,
food,
motivation,
energizer,
stress buster.
music.
So, greetings and a warm welcome to the official YouTube channel of the Department of Business Economics, University of Delhi. Here we are with another episode of Internship Stories 3.0, where we delve into the insights and notable achievements of our seniors during their internship session. I am Aman Iqbal from the 2026 batch, your host for today, and to kick off this session, we have with us Riya Agarwal from the 2025 batch, who will share her experiences during her summer internships as a finance and research intern at Ritz Capital. So, Riya, how are you doing today?
Hi Aman, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
Thank you, Riya. So, without further ado, let's begin with the session. So, Riya, could you give us a little introduction about yourself?
I would love to talk about that. Having completed my graduation in commerce from DU only, I wanted to dive deeper into business and management. That's why I wanted that's why I chose to do MBA from Department of Business Economics, University of Delhi. Apart from that, I love music and traveling.
That's amazing. So, could you tell us something about Ritz Capital? Why did you choose it for your summer internship?
Ritz Capital is a boutique investment banking firm helping startups in sourcing funds through private equity and debt. I chose internship in Ritz Capital because it aligns well with my career goals and it would help me in enhancing my skills in finance.
That sounds interesting. So, could you give us an overview of your primary role as a finance and research intern at Ritz Capital?
During my internship, my role was I worked in the sustainable division of the firm where I sourced startups, managed investor relations, onboarded investors, facilitated introductions between investors and startups, also conducting preliminary assessment of the firm of the startups was also the research part during my internship.
Sounds fascinating. So, were there any challenges or key projects that you work on or any other key takeaways from the internships that you would like to share?
As a fresher, the key challenges that I faced was how things work in real life scenarios. This was particularly challenging when I assessed the viability of the firms and connection and building connections between investors and the startups. Also, understanding the nuances of deal execution was the most challenging part, which required me to quickly adapt the bridge between theory and practical life. So, I overcame these challenges by understanding industry trends and reading reports, also learning from my managers and seniors.
Now, we'd love to know what was your favorite part of the company culture that you liked at Ritz Capital? Was there anything particular that made you feel comfortable or connected?
Yeah. The most interesting part of the company culture was there was very little gap between upper level management and the lower level management of the firm. We could explore our ideas, brainstorm, and share our innovations with upper management firm of the firm. So that's what I love about the firm.
So, do you think your specialization at DB helped you in your selection?
Yeah, absolutely. Specializations in DBE helps you explore finance and marketing while equipping with analytical skills to gain valuable insights.
That's a solid point. So, how did you go about preparing for your interview? Were there any specific approaches that you took that helped you in your preparation?
For the preparation part, I understand current trends of the market, industry reports, and also the fundamentals of the finance. And also, I learned consistently, so that was the main part during my preparation.
Speaking of preparation, so do you think there are any specific certificates that helped you land these internships? So, could you like to share?
Essential skills for finance internship include strong analytical abilities, also Excel proficiency and solid grasp of financial concepts. For student preparing for same role and for the same internship, I would say that certifications like CFA would be cherry on top. And the tip I would like to give is never hesitate to learn. Yeah.
Thank you. Now, could you walk us through your typical day as a finance and research intern at Ritz Capital?
As an intern at Ritz Capital, my typical day included onboarding investors and facilitating introductions between investors and the managers. At the beginning of the day, we used to checking with the team and prioritizing tasks. Throughout the day, I conducted preliminary assessment of the firm and created financial models for the assessment. Also, balancing the workload required effective time management and regular communication with the team.
So, Ria, if you could go back to the start of your internship, was there anything you would do differently, or was there something that you'd focus on more?
So at the start of the internship, I would like to suggest myself is never hesitate to learn and keep asking questions. So being proactive in learning and never hesitating to learn will help you enhance your skills and widening your knowledge.
So, Ria, let's begin with a fun segment. We call it role reversal. In this, you get to switch places as an host. So, you could ask yourself any questions that you think you would ask a fellow intern, or you wish someone would have always asked you.
As a host, I would ask myself what was the most unexpected thing that you learned during an internship. So to answer myself, I would say the most unexpected thing that I learned was learning the importance of networking. Strong analytical and financial and technical skills are, yeah, they are important, but the networking will open doors to new opportunities and knowledge.
Wow, that's a great question. It's fun seeing how you approach things as an host. Now, let's move on from one fun segment to another, the rapid fire round. In this, I'll say a word and you'll have to answer with a rapid fire one word answer. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
So, DB,
Progressive,
career,
fulfilling,
corporate world,
challenging,
MBA,
adventure,
friends,
family,
Delhi,
food,
motivation,
energizer,
stress buster.
music.
Those were great. So, lastly, before we wrap up, is there any final advice that you'd want to give to the juniors who aspire to walk in your shoes?
The advice I would love to give to juniors is stay curious, embrace every learning opportunity, and never hesitate to network.
Thank you for your time, Ria, and all the valuable insights. It's been a pleasure having you here. So that's a wrap up for the episode 10 of the Internship Stories 3.0. If you like, do comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting stories.